You want power? You want control? You want to stop being the one who gets trampled? Then listen carefully, because what I'm about to tell you isn't for everyone. These are the 5 psychological tricks that will make anyone fear you. And once you understand them, once you master them, you will never be the same person again. Fear isn't about being loud. It isn't about shouting or acting tough. It's about control. It's about unpredictability. It's about making people question themselves the moment they stand in your presence. Think about the people you fear. They aren't reckless. They aren't desperate. They are calculated. They know when to strike, when to speak, and when to remain silent. You've been too predictable, too easy to read, too easy to manipulate, but not anymore. Trick 1. The power of controlled silence. The weak talk too much. They explain themselves. They justify. They beg to be understood. But power doesn't explain. Power doesn't need validation. When someone disrespects you, don't react instantly. Let them feel the weight of silence. A long, unblinking stare. A smirk that says, "I know something you don't." People fear the unknown. The moment they can't predict your reaction, they start fearing you. Silence makes them uncomfortable, makes them nervous, makes them think twice before crossing you again. And that's your first weapon. Trick 2. The art of speaking less. Saying more words are cheap. The more you talk, the more power you give away. The ones who are truly feared never waste words. They use them like weapons. Precise, sharp, deadly. When you do speak, make every word count. No unnecessary explanations, no long justifications. Just direct, brutal truth. Example: someone tries to intimidate you. Don't argue. Don't plead. Just say one sentence. "You sure you want to do this?" Then say nothing. Just stare. Let them drown in their own overthinking. Fear isn't about what you say. It's about what they imagine you're capable of. The moment you make someone doubt themselves, they lose power, and you gain it. Trick 3. Unpredictability is fear. People fear what they don't understand. If you're predictable, they feel safe. They know what to expect. But the moment they can't read you, that's when the fear creeps in. One day you're calm. The next, you're ice cold. Never let them think they have you figured out. Keep them on edge. Change your tone, your energy, your pace. Keep them guessing, and they'll fear making the wrong move. Unpredictability is a weapon. Use it. Trick 4. The power of controlled silence. Weak people fill silence with noise. They feel uncomfortable when things go quiet. But the ones who are truly dangerous, they control silence like a weapon. Imagine this. Someone insults you. Everyone is waiting for your reaction. But instead of responding, You just stare at them. No words, no emotion. Just cold, empty silence. Do you know what happens next? They start to panic. Their mind races. Did they go too far? Are you angry? Are you planning something? The silence makes them second guess everything. You don't have to shout. You don't have to prove anything. Silence creates mystery. Mystery creates fear. Use it. Trick 5. Become their worst nightmare. The scariest people in the world are not the loudest, not the strongest, but the ones who can flip their emotions on and off like a switch. One moment, you're completely calm. The next, your entire energy shifts. Your voice drops. Your eyes turn dead serious. You lean in just a little closer, and without raising your voice, you say something simple. You really don't want to see what happens next. No threats, no aggression, just cold, calculated confidence. The kind that makes their stomach sink. The kind that makes them back down before they even realize why. Because fear isn't about size. It's not about muscles. It's about control. Control over yourself. Control over how others see you. And once you master that, you don't need to chase fear. Fear follows you. Most people are weak because they refuse to embrace the dark side of their nature. But you know better. You know that to be truly feared, you don't need violence. You don't need chaos. You just need control over yourself, over your mind, over how the world sees you. So the next time they underestimate you, the next time they think you're just another face in the crowd, smile. Because they have no idea what kind of monster they just awakened.